988 Nellie Jo. We're just a couple of small streets away from a major freeway. We already have desert landscaping in place. Maybe need a little bit of a cleanup. Probably touch up that wood. This wood as well, all the way around the frame. The top looks okay. Nice little privacy fence here. Probably want to clean up this front door and maybe change that doorbell out. We'll see what Jenny says. Okay, so the walls are overall in, I'd say, fair to average condition. It is white. It's laminate flooring. Not the best quality laminate. May survive a tenant turn. 2.5-inch faux blinds. Vinyl. Cabinets are showing a little bit of wear and look just a little dirty, especially the lower cabinets. That's normal. Little eat-in area over here. The somewhat dated fixture. Probably want whatever sort of, oh my gosh, it's a cassette. Probably remove this. That's something that they can do when painting. They just remove it and patch it up. Very simple. There's a fan over there. I know Jenny has said in other properties that that can be considered a plus because some people like to work in their garage, and that can help keep it cool because it gets so hot here. Typical closet. Let's go ahead and take a look at the backyard. So I have some issues here with this wall. Really need to find out whose property it's actually on and whose expense it is to fix it, and if they're willing. We have concrete in place, rock, that's great. This is turf, which you can see looks like it was literally just set down for puppies. So see Jenny's recommendation on what to do with this. Large area. So you have carpet going into this room. There's part of that dated intercom system. The carpet doesn't look like it's the best quality, but the condition is okay. Just needs a deep cleaning from what I can tell. These are vinyl blinds, so that would be one room to replace. Cabinets are showing a little bit of wear. Somewhat dated tile, but at least it's hard flooring. Probably replace that shower rod, get something a little newer. It's flat in here. Flooring looks fine. Something tight there. Okay. That window's vinyl as well, so probably replace that. Probably past water damage, nothing unusual there. It's pretty common to see that. Cabinets are showing some wear, nothing unusual. Okay, so that's the property.